Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's my last weekend in Manali while walking from the lap of the mountains, and finally I got a chance to explore in and around Manali. Those who have been following my earlier vlogs would know that I have been in Manali for almost a month now, and in my first 3 weekends I have visited a few outstation destinations from Manali with the likes of Sach Pass and Charnatal. If you want to watch those adventures rides in the Himalayas, I have provided the links of all the earlier episodes in the description box. Hope you enjoy them all. Now, to be honest, I have visited places in Manali in bits and pieces so far, and in this weekend I am gonna complete the rest. So in this video, instead of my regular way of taking you through my personal journey, because I haven't visited them all this weekend, I am gonna curate a proper weekend plan for you in Manali. Hope that will help you guys plan your days in Manali in a better manner. So let's say it's a sunny Saturday morning, and after completing your breakfast, your first destination in Manali should be this serene and old temple called Harimba or Hirimba Devi Temple. Located very close to Old Manali, this temple is not only popular among tourists but also carries a connection with the famous Indian epic, the Mahabharata. Hirimba, being born in a Rakshasa family, vowed to marry someone who will be brave enough to defeat her brother Hirim. During the Pandavas' exile, when they visited Manali, Bhima, one of the 5 Pandavas, killed Hirim. Thereafter, Hirimba married Bhima and gave birth to their son Ghatotkach. Right beside this temple, there is a small temple where Ghatotkach is also being worshipped. Now, the most interesting part about this place is, while the entire nation worships goddess Durga during Navratri, the people of Manali would worship Hirimba as a deity. So during Navratri, this place will be full of crowd. Right beside Hirimba temple, you will find a beautifully maintained pine forest which is known as Van Vihar. It was closed for public due to COVID when I was there, but do not miss this beautiful place. It is one of those calm places in modernized Manali which still stands out for its tranquility. Right after this, you should come all the way to the famous Manu Maharaj temple in Old Manali. It is the only temple dedicated to Manu Rishi, who is believed to be the creator of this earth, and this place is also believed to be the same place where he meditated after stepping on the earth. Road to this temple from Old Manali Bridge, which is around 1.5 kilometers, is quite narrow and congested, so be mindful of that fact. After lunch hours should be kept for fun activities at the Solang Valley, without which a Manali trip is always incomplete. But before getting there, you can also visit Vasisht Kund, which is a small hot water spring and falls on the way to Solang Valley. But do not spend much time at this place. Solang Valley particularly is a place for fun and adventure. There are a lot of sports activities to choose from, starting with paragliding, skiing, ATV bike riding, zorbing, ropeway rides, etc. Pick the ones that suits you the most and you will find the afternoon hours flying by in no time. Manali Mall Road area is the most happening place of all in Manali. There are a lot of restaurants, brand stores and local shops to explore, and the vibe of chilling here in the evening is unmatched, with so many fellow travelers present there. So I would suggest you to spend your evening at the Mall Road area. You can shop, take photographs and make memories. One secret thing, do not miss this street food at the Mall Road, especially the deep fried fish and chicken. You are gonna love it, mark my words. By now, if you are thinking you had enough of Manali, then my friend, hold your horses. On day 2 of this itinerary, we do have some super exciting places to explore around Manali. I would suggest you to start your day on a calm note, and thus your first destination today should be the nature park in Old Manali. Located by the bank of Bees River, this park is a huge area of pine forests and spans across the entire way from Mall Road to the Old Manali Bridge, which is almost 3 km by road. You will literally get lost into yourself given the one-of-a-kind tranquility at this place. You can even go up to the bank of the river and spend some me time over there. Needless to say, there are ample opportunities of taking super exciting photographs at this place. I'm taking a stroll over here. I will take a few photographs and then I will head towards my next destination. So this is really beautiful place and you must come here. Right after this, you should head towards Nagad, which is a small offbeat hill station around 20 km away from the hustle bustles of Manali. The primary attraction of Naggar is the Naggar Castle, which we'll explore first. It's a picturesque castle that stood the test of time and now is a prime tourist destination in Himachal. Situated more than 500 years ago, this castle cum heritage hotel is an ultimate example of a perfect eclectic mixture of nature and heritage.
So finally I have reached Naggar Castle as you have seen, and अभी मैं नगर कैसल के अंदर बैठा हूँ. This is the lawn area and this is basically a hotel cum tourist place. So some part of the castle has been converted into a hotel and you can actually stay here. And यहाँ से मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. The landscape is extremely beautiful. The entire valley can be seen, and moreover this entire castle is made of wood only. So that is quite fascinating as well. So अभी मैं अंदर जाके एक्सप्लोर करता हूँ पूरा कैसल. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि कैसे क्या है इसके अंदर.
Staying here for one night should be a royal feeling, and if you have one extra day in your hand, you may actually consider this.
Hey guys, so I didn't want to miss the chance of having something at the Naggar Castle restaurant. So मैंने जैसे मैंने आपको बता रहा था कि यहाँ पे कैसल को पूरा होटल बना दिया गया है और whoever wants to stay. ये लोग का खुद का रेस्टोरेंट भी है. तो just to keep a memory of it.
There is a small waterfall called Jana Waterfall around 10 kilometers from the castle. So before leaving Naggar, you may want to visit that as well. I skipped it as I didn't have enough time. Your next destination for today should be Jogini Waterfall in Manali. Now let me suggest you something very interesting. While returning from Naggar Castle, do not take the Kullu Manali National Highway. Instead, there is another route via Jagatsukh, which is also known as Kullu Naggar Manali Road. This road is really serene, and if you are traveling by car, you will find a few places to stop for photographs as well. Jogini Waterfall is one of the most popular destinations that tourists visit in Manali. From the parking point or last motorable point, you need to trek for at least 25 minutes to reach the base of this waterfall. This place is also extremely serene, and time flies by just sitting and watching the downpour of the water here. One special request though, kindly do not litter this place, as I saw a few doing. Especially because it's not easy to clean such interior spots very regularly, so it is our duty to keep it clean. Few people also do trek to the top of the waterfall, which should take at least a couple of hours. I personally felt it to be unnecessary.
So guys, I have reached at the top of the Jogini waterfall. It looks magnificent, and I think it probably would not be wise to trek to the top, because I have limited time in hand and I have to cover a few more places in the day. So I think I'll spend some time over here and then I'll head back.
At the end of the day, if you are still left with some time, you can visit the Manali Gompa and the Tibetan market right next to the mall road. However, Old Manali has a lot of quirky and well decorated cafes, and some of them do offer live music in the evening. So you can end your day with some delicious food and charming music at one of these. I really hope this handcrafted Manali itinerary with some interesting personal suggestions will be quite beneficial to plan your trip the next time you are in Manali. That's all from this video, guys. kindly do subscribe to my channel and keep supporting. Until next time, stop dreaming, start traveling. Goodbye.